Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're wrapping up my Tamarind 3 Ways mini series with something a little different. Caramel Tamarind. Let's dive into this recipe and end this series on a delicious note. Come on, let's go. This caramel tamarind is super easy. So let me introduce you to the ingredients of this delicious caramel tamarind. Our tamarind, some sugar. I have about a cup of brown sugar, 4 ounces of water. You do not need too much water. And that's it, guys. Easy peasy. For this tamarind recipe, we are going to need our stovetop. So let's move to our stovetop. And if this is your first time making the caramel tamarind and you're not sure about how far or how much you need to leave it on there for a nice caramel, just go ahead and test it with a tamarind, and that will tell you if it's ready. As you can see, I went ahead and I tested it on a small tamarind, and I gave it another 2 minutes. So now I'm going to go in and do the rest of my tamarind. I think it's ready. And you just go in and just dip your tamarind in. You just hold it by the end of the stem. It's very easy. Just be careful, it's a little hot. So keep your fingers away from this as much as you can. But once you hold it by the stem like this, you should be okay. And just coat it in this is how easy this is to make. And it's also a beautiful adult snack. And that's it, guys. This is how you make the caramel tamarind. I'm just going to let this cool. It's all done. So you just pull it off the parchment. So this is why you grease it or you use parchment, because you do not want it to stick. It will come right off with the parchment. And if it sticks to each other, you can just break it apart. It should just break right apart without. Thank you so much for joining me on this Tamarind 3 Ways journey. From tamarind balls to tamarind juice, and now caramel tamarind. I hope you've enjoyed discovering how versatile and delicious this fruit can be. If you haven't seen the other recipes yet, please check out the full playlist. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And please leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know how you like to have your tamarind. Do you prefer tamarind balls to caramel tamarind, or do you just like a tall, refreshing glass of tamarind juice? Let me know in the comment section how you like your tamarind, guys. I would love to hear from you. Until the next video, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.